kindergarten, it's Miss Luxa back with another read aloud, and today we have a really fun one. It's called Interrupting Chicken, and it's already starting on the cover. So the Interrupting Chicken is saying, "This book is called Interrupting Chicken, right, Papa?" And Papa says, "Yes, now please don't interrupt the story." And this is by David Ezra Stein. Let's get into it. I'm really excited for this one. It was bedtime for the little red chicken. There they are getting ready for bed. "Okay, my little chicken," said Papa. "Are you all ready to go to sleep?" "Yes, Papa, but you forgot something." "What's that?" asked Papa. "A bedtime story." Do any of you get a bedtime story before you go to bed? Maybe you even read on your own before you fall asleep. "All right," said Papa. "I'll read one of your favorites. And of course, you are not going to interrupt the story tonight, are you?" "Oh no, Papa, I'll be good." Oh, so he's done this before. Maybe he interrupts the stories a lot. Let's see if he's gonna keep his promise. Oh, okay, they're reading Hansel and Gretel. Hansel and Gretel were very hungry. Deep in the woods they found a house made of candy. Nibble, nibble, nibble. They began to eat the house until the old woman who lived there came out and said, "What lovely children! Why don't you come inside?" They were just about to follow her when... out jumped a little red chicken and she said, "Don't go in, she's a witch." So Hansel and Gretel didn't. The end. Oh no, the little red chicken interrupted the story. And Papa didn't get to finish. "Chicken." "Yes, Papa?" "You interrupted the story. Try not to get so involved." "I'm sorry, Papa, but she really was a witch." "Well, you're supposed to be relaxing so you can fall asleep. Let's try another story." "I'll be good." There they are. Do you think the little red chicken is going to listen to his Papa this time? Will he be able to stop himself from interrupting the story? Okay, this time it's Little Red Riding Hood. You probably know this one. "Take this basket of goodies to Grandma," said Little Red Riding Hood's mother, "but don't stray from the path. The woods are full of danger." Red Riding Hood skipped along the deep woods. By and by she met a wolf who wished her good morning. She was about to answer him when... Before I turn the page, make a prediction. Is the little red chicken going to interrupt the story? Uh-oh. Out jumped a little red chicken and she said, "Don't talk to strangers." So Little Red Riding Hood didn't. The end. It happened again. You didn't get to enjoy the story. "Chicken." "Yes, Papa?" You did it again. You interrupted 2 stories, and now you're not even sleepy." Does that happen to anybody else? Sometimes we get so excited with a story. "I know, Papa, I'm sorry, but he was a mean old wolf." "Yes, now get back into bed." "Okay, Papa, let's try one more little story and I'll be good." Is he gonna make it through the whole story? Chicken Little. This is a good one. I hope we get to hear all of it. Chicken Little was hit on the head by an acorn. The sky is falling, she thought. She was about to run off and warn Goosey Lucy, Ducky Lucky, Henny Penny, and everyone on the farm. The sky was falling when... Out jumped a little red chicken and she said, "Don't panic, it's just an acorn." So Chicken Little didn't. The end. Oh, Little Red. Not again. Chicken. Yes, Papa? You did it again. How are they going to fix this? How is he going to stop interrupting? Oh, Papa, I couldn't let that little chicken get all upset over an acorn. Please read one more story, and I promise I'll fall asleep. But Chicken, said Papa, we are out of stories. Oh, no. Oh, no, Papa, I can't go to sleep without a story. What are they going to do? Then, said Papa, yawning, why don't you tell me a story? Me? Tell a story? Said the little red chicken. Okay, Papa, here we go. Looks like Papa's getting sleepy, but Little Red isn't. Here's the story that they come up with. Bedtime for Papa by Chicken. Once there was a little red chicken who put her papa to bed. She read him 100 stories. She even gave him warm milk, but nothing worked. He stayed wide awake all what? Zzz, zzz, zzz. Somebody's asleep. Who is it? Who's asleep? It's Papa. Papa? Fell asleep while he was writing the new story. Good night, Papa. Tucking him in. The end. They were able to both fall asleep. Zzz.